is going to be super duper exciting because it's all about Diwali outfits. So Diwali is around the corner, though. Let's make a video on some great Diwali outfits. So recently I purchased a few outfits from Myntra because ये वाली दिवाली थोड़ी अलग है. You're just gonna sit inside the house and celebrate and be safe as well. So मैं थोड़ा low budget गई हूँ ये दिवाली and I thought of spending on some other useful stuffs. So yeah, I purchased a few outfits and all of them are so beautiful. So without further ado, let's just get started with the video. So the first kurta which I'm going to show you guys is the one which I'm wearing, and since I'm wearing this kurta, so of course this is my most favorite amongst the collection. So this is a kurta and palazzo set from the brand Ishin, and I got this during the sale time, and I got this for rupees 1484, like the whole set for 1484, which was a good price. So this is a foil printed kurta, you can say. It has a foil print all over the kurta and the palazzo, and it has a straight hem. Like the kurta is completely straight and the palazzos are quite flared, like they are not those straight ones, they are like the flared ones, and with the elasticated waistband. And it has 3/4 sleeves and a very much round neck, and the neck is not like very much closed, it's like kind of deep, not too deep as well. So yeah, and overall it has this combination of navy blue and pink color kind of details all over, like the sleeves as well, you can see. And I'm showing you as well how the overall look is of this kurta and palazzo. This kurta palazzo doesn't come with a dupatta, so if you want you can style it with some dupatta which you already have in your closet, or you can invest in some good dupatta. So yeah, that's the first outfit, and I feel it's so comfortable to just roam around in the house and everything, because I know you are going to have lots of work this Diwali, because everything you have to do it on your own. So yeah, I feel this is the best one, and even I am thinking to wear the same on the Diwali. So yeah, that's my first outfit. Moving on to the second purchase of my Diwali outfit, I went a bit on a simple side because you need such simple outfits as well on some certain occasions. So I thought, why not invest in some simple outfit as well? And I was really eyeing to buy from this brand which is Indo Era. It's a beautiful brand in Myntra. Check out their other collections as well. Unki kurta palazzos, they also come with a dupatta. Almost all of them come with a dupatta, and बहुत ही pretty collection है Indo Era brand का. So I went with this beautiful kurta palazzo and a dupatta set. So this is a very pretty green and maroon kurta palazzo set. The kurta is a straight hem again, and it has side cuts. Also it has a simple neckline with this knot kind of thing, and the sleeves are like 3/4, like 3/4 quarter, and the palazzo is maroon color palazzo which comes with an elasticated band again, which is super comfortable, and they are like kind of straight. They are not that much flared like the previous one, but these are like kind of straight palazzos. And the dupatta is so beautiful, like it's a complete maroon woven dupatta. This is a woven one, and it has tassels at the end. The dupatta is just gorgeous. It's just gets along with the look so beautifully. You can just style this kind of outfit with some nice pair of heels and anything, and you can wear this kind of outfit on some simple occasions where you don't want to go that much jang pang and you want to go just simple, so you can always invest in such kind of outfits. So Indo Era actually costs a bomb, like their sets are starting from 3,000, but I got it during the sale time, so I got this outfit for 1599, which is almost half of it, and I went for the size S. So अगर आप कभी like मेरे जैसा ही है तो invest in size S, or other sizes are available as well. So yeah, that's about my second outfit. Talking about the third outfit, I went on for a sharara set. Like I wanted to try a sharara because I have never really tried it before, and I'm still doubtful if I'm going to keep this outfit because firstly, it's a lime green color. It's a kurta, sharara, and a dupatta set, and I don't know why I picked this up. Like in the image, it was looking so pretty on the model, and originally it is not that much attractive. Like the lime green color, I thought would suit me, but it is not kind of suiting me. Also, it's a complete one color attire, which actually I don't like it, but I thought let's try. And I'm still doubtful if I'm going to keep this, but if you are someone who loves shararas, then you can surely go for this outfit. Like if you like it, then you can seriously flaunt it. If you don't, then you just can't flaunt it. So that's why I thought of sharing it with you guys. Maybe you guys would like it. So this is a lime green sharara set. The kurta is like above the knee. It's a short kurta which you can also pair later on the jeans, and it would look super cool on the jeans actually. And the sharara is also the lime green with elasticated band. The sharara is completely like it's a beautiful sharara, but I personally don't like sharara that much, so I'm not able to carry it that well. Also, the dupatta has disappointed me because I don't like such plain dupattas. Dupatta has to have some kind of work or some kind of design on it. And also, this is from the brand Imara, which is actually a good brand, but I don't know, or maybe I picked up something which is not suiting me. So yeah, also I there was no size S available, so I went up with a size M, but buy one size smaller I would suggest, because the sharara is very huge and it will look you bulky, so buy one size smaller. So yeah, that's about my third set, and this costed me for 1574 or something like 1500 ke aspas, whereas the original price is 3000, which I don't think is that much worthy for this outfit at least. So yeah, actually it would look good on some people who actually love shararas and know how to flaunt it or carry it. So yeah, if you really like it, then you can surely invest in this outfit. And let me show you how it looks on me. Talking about the last outfit of this video, and I have another gorgeous outfit for all you guys. So I went up with this brand Libas, and I picked up a Narikali kurti. So this comes with this kurti and a palazzo set. There is no dupatta in this set. So this is a very pretty kurti. On the side it was actually written pink color, but as you can see it's not actually pink, but I would say it is kind of a very light lavender color. So it's a lavender color all over the kurti, and the neckline is mandarin, which I again love, because such type of necklines you can also wear during some office functions or office stuffs where you want to go really Indian, and it looks super elegant. This neckline looks super elegant. Also, it has full sleeves, so I again love full sleeves on the Indian outfits. And it's a long anarkali kurti. And talking about the palazzo, it is quite flared, not that much straight, and it has an elasticated waistband, so again comfortable. Plus it has pockets, so I really love the pocket thing, but of course it's of no use because the kurti is anarkali. So now what I did is I wanted to style this with a dupatta because since it's Diwali, you need something over such light colors. So I went up with my bandhani dupatta, which I have of another outfit. And it's a super pretty bandhani dupatta with a gota patti work all over, and it has these tassels at the end. So I thought ऐसे light color पे कुछ तो bright होना चाहिए. So I styled it with my dupatta and with my heels, so you can style it that way as well. It looks super gorgeous. So yeah, that's about it, and this costed me for 1199, which is so affordable. Like, do invest in this one at least, because you know ये आपको दूसरे occasions में भी काम आएगा. Like I would suggest you, कभी भी जब आप ऐसे Indian outfit लेते हो तो don't think for a short term कि okay एक बार पहनूंगी. Never do that because it's kind of waste of money. Always think about the long term कि okay मैं इस outfit को दोबारा भी पहन सकती हूँ ना. Because I understand about Western outfits, लेकिन Indian outfits takes a lot of money to invest, because सिर्फ आउटफिट पे ही ख़त्म नहीं होता है, हमारा एक्सेसरीज होता है, हमारा ये होता है, वो होता है, शूज़ होता है. सो या इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ बिग इन्वेस्टमेंट, सो ऑलवेज थिंक विद द लॉन्ग टर्म एट लीस्ट. So yeah, that's my small tip for you guys, and yeah, so that's about my last outfit. Let me show you how I styled it. So yeah guys, with that we come to the end of this Diwali lookbook. So let me tell you that अगर आपको इनमें से कुछ भी अच्छा लगा and you want to put up an order, तो आप जल्द से जल्द डाल दो, like today or tomorrow, so that you can expect it by the end of this week and you can use it for your Diwali. So जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि हमेशा ऐसा सोचो कि आप और भी ज़्यादा दिनों में कब पहन सकते हो, सो उस हिसाब से हमेशा इंडियन आउटफिट्स लेनी चाहिए. तो अगर आपको दिवाली के दिन नहीं पहनना है तो आप भाई दूज हो या और भी जो भी दिन आते हैं दिवाली के, उन दिनों में भी स्टाइल अप कर सकते हो, बिकॉज आई गॉट देम डिलीवर्ड इन अ स्पैन ऑफ like 3 to 4 days, so even you will get the same. So yeah, with that we come to the end of this video, and have a very happy and safe Diwali everyone. Enjoy with your family, but don't forget to be safe, and I'll meet you soon after Diwali with a new video yet again. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. I've linked down all the products in the description, so do check them out, and I'll meet you soon. Till then, bye.